Hi everyone. Today we are going to discuss very important topic in operations management, managing vendors. So vendors in that last session also we can discuss suppliers. So if you're getting that raw materials from the suppliers is very important to manufacture any product in quality. For example, if you're going to manufacture any pen or anything, pen to manufacture a car, the raw materials is not good means the product is not good. So the raw materials are very, very important. So how to manage the vendors? Vendor management is a term that describes a process organization used to manage their suppliers who are also known as vendors. Vendor management include activities such as selecting vendors, negotiating contracts, controlling cost, reducing vendor related risk and ensuring service delivery. So the vendors used by a company will vary considerably depending on the nature of the organization and could include companies as diverse as seafood suppliers, IT vendors, cleaners, and marketing consultants. Vendors can also range in size from sole trader to large organizations. So this is the structure for vendor management process steps and improvement cycle. So we will see one by one. Identify the corporate objective. So corporate objective in the sense the organization objective. So what is a vision? What is a mission? So corporate objective, identify project objective. So when we are going to finish, that is identify the project objective. Set vendor selection criteria. If you're going to select the suppliers, they're having some criteria to select. So set vendor selection criteria. Vendor selection. So how to select the vendor? So vendor selection. Then you are going to execute. Then you can review that. Then finally you can go for next project. So this is the structure of vendor management process steps and improvement cycle. So next we are going to discuss very important topic, product design. So what is product design? So if you're going to design the product anyway, so product design is the process of creating a new product to be sold by a business to its customers. If you are in your idea, you are going to design your product. So it's essentially the efficient and effective generation and development of ideas through the process that leads to new products. So that is a product design. So for example, in your product design, you are going to patent yourself. So that is a product design, and also product also you are going to file and publish your patents. So that is a product design. So in the product design, what are the factors affecting the product design? First, we are going to start an idea depends upon the customer requirements. So customer requirements only we are going to manufacture your product. So customer requirements are very important. Then if you're going to manufacture a product, you need the production facilities of the organization. So raw materials to be used, cost to price ratio. Then we are going to frame the quality policy. Then plant and machineries, effect on existing products, reputation of the company. So these are the factors affecting that you are going to manufacture a product. That is a design your product, because customer requirements are very important. Depends upon the customer requirement only we are going to manufacture any product, any design. The customers are satisfied, the organization will success, they will get more profit. Thank you all for watching. Thank you all. So now next we are going to discuss very important topic in operation management in the next session. Thank you all.